what we're looking at here, I'm going to get in pretty close to this software, is we've got a tracking zone. Okay, the tracking zone is in green here. And Tess, why don't you go ahead and walk up there so we can see what's going on. And then we have a preset zone number 1, which is in the presentation area by the whiteboard. So when Tess walks into this area, it's going to stop tracking and perfectly frame the whiteboard. We've got another preset zone over here, which is doing something very interesting. And what this is interesting, what this is showing is that we're actually going to send an HTTP command, but you can send a TCP, UDP, or an HTTP command. We're going to send an HTTP command to vmix, which is our video production software, to show a lower third. And then when Tess exits that area, it will make the lower third go away. So you can do all kinds of things like automate your lighting, controlling all kinds of different things in your production, in your workflow, starting and stopping recording, etc.